and today I am gonna share with you a very delicious agua fresca. A agua fresca of carrots, strawberries, and lime. This comes out so delicious and so refreshing. Let's get ready for summer. It's right around the corner and I want you to be prepared. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. My ingredients. I have a pinch of salt, strawberry, carrots, lime or lemon, whatever you have at home handy, granulated sugar, 1 liter of filtered water, and I am so ready. Let's get ready. Let's start making these agua frescas at home. Instead of buying all those soft drinks, why not do something healthy and something that we already have at home? So let's get started.
Okay, my friends, I want to start with my saucepan. I'm going to add my sugar. I'm adding 1 cup of sugar. I'm adding just 1 cup of filtered water. And we're going to take this to the stove. We want to go ahead and start dissolving this sugar. I'll see you there. Okay, my stove is on. I have my saucepan here, and I'm just going to be mixing. I want to show you that the granulated sugar is right on the bottom. That's why it looks kind of white on the bottom of the saucepan. But you know something? I'm going to be mixing for about 3 to 4 minutes until the water runs clear. We want this simple syrup to be nice and clear so we could start adding it to our agua fresca. So I'll see you when this is completely clear. 3 minutes have passed, and I want to show you that the sugar has dissolved completely and my simple syrup is done. I'm going to turn the stove off, and I'm ready to start preparing and washing my strawberries and my carrots. Okay, I'm going to start with my strawberries. I want to go ahead and clean one by one, making sure that we rinse them during running water to make sure that everything is nice and clean. Okay, this is done. Look at this. Okay, I am ready to start preparing my agua fresca. I'm going to start with my carrots. I'm not going to peel the carrots. I'm just going to cut the edges from both sides. We want to leave the skin on because, as you know, the vitamins and everything is on the skin. So we want to go ahead and keep all those vitamins in there. I'm going to go ahead and cut them in 3 to 4 pieces just so they fit in my cup of my blender. Okay, this part is done. I'm going to go ahead and start adding it to my cup of the blender. Okay, this is done. I'm going to start with my strawberries. The strawberries, I'm just going to cut that little edge. We want to make sure that we cut every single one and have them ready so we could blend it, but we are not going to add it to the carrots. Okay, here are my strawberries. They're nice and done. I'm going to go ahead and reserve them aside, put them here in my plate, and I'm going to come back to my carrots, okay? Here I have the carrots. I'm going to add about 3 cups of water, filtered water. We're going to go ahead, just add the water, cover it, and we're going to blend it completely. It's going to take about 2 to 3 minutes before it's nice and blended. You know that the carrots are very, very hard and it takes a little more time. So right now, look at this. Nice and liquidy. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and show you how it looks. It's a little thick. It's not too runny. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and drain it. Put it through a sifter And with the spoon, just be mixing and mixing until I get all that delicious juice. That's what we really want. All that juice that the carrots are going to give us. Look how much skin and texture we have here. But it takes time, my friends. Just keep moving until you have all that delicious juice. This is what we don't want. We're going to put it aside. And my carrot juice is done. Look at this. This part is done. I'm going to go ahead and wash my cup of the blender, and then I'll see you. Here, they're nice and washed. I'm going to go ahead and add my strawberries. I'm going to add all the strawberries here, and I am going to add my simple syrup. This is the simple syrup. It's nice and yellow, and that's the way it should be. That's the color it should get after the sugar has dissolved completely. I'm only adding 1 cup. I'm going to go ahead and blend it. This only takes about 1 minute, my friends. For the strawberries to release all that juice and all that flavor. Okay, this is done. Let me show it to you. Nice and liquidy. Okay, I am going to go ahead and add it to the carrot juice. We're just going to go ahead, put it in there. I'm just going to add just a little bit of water just so that I could get all the juices of the strawberries from the cup. Okay. Now is the time where we're going to go ahead and taste it to see if we need a little bit more sugar. To my tasting is fine. Now what I'm going to do is start with my limes. I'm going to go ahead, cut them in half. And my limes don't have any seeds. So what I'm going to do is add it directly. I have my pinch of salt here. Why am I adding a pinch of salt? Because this is going to bring up all those flavors. The strawberry, the carrot, the lime. This is going to really, really bring up all the flavors. That's why you add just a pinch of salt. Okay, I'm adding my limes. The lime is going to give it, oh, what a kick, a delicious flavor. Okay, this is done. We're just gonna mix it one more time. And I wanna show it to you from close up so you could see the texture. Let's taste it one more time. Wow, this tastes really good. Perfect. My friends, I want to show you how this water looks. Look how delicious this water is. You know, all these ingredients we already have at home. Why not make this refreshing and delicious and healthy water at home? Look at this. I want to show you the texture, my friends. Okay, I am ready to start preparing my pitcher. So I'll see you in a bit. I am ready to prepare my pitcher. I'm going to go ahead and add enough ice. You want to have a lot of ice in here, and I'm going to help myself and be adding all this juice in there slowly because I do not want to make a mess, my friends. A little bit at a time until I am completely done adding this delicious juice. Look at this. The colors are so beautiful, orangey red. Okay, this is completely done, my friend. I can't wait to start preparing the presentation and have a whole glass.
with this delicious agua fresca. Carrots, strawberries, and lime. Let's see how this delicious water came out, and organic. Let's see how this came out. You know that this is the part I love, I enjoy, and I really look forward, tasting my recipes. And you know that almost all these ingredients, you have them at home. And if you don't have them, they're very easy to go and buy. So let me stop talking and let me start drinking this agua fresca. I'll tell you how this came out. Just delicious. It's not sugary. It's just perfection in a glass. And of course, my carrot edible. This came out so delicious, so refreshing. The hint of lime gave it such a delicious flavor. Oh my God. I know that you guys are going to love it and enjoy it like I enjoy it here with my family. I want to say thank you so much for watching my videos. Watching my videos from start to end, I really do appreciate it. If you liked and loved my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, give me thumbs up, share my video on social media so more people get to know Cooking with Gloria. Don't forget to push the notification bell. So every time I make a new recipe, my friends, you are notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying my agua fresca. Bye-bye.